Hello friend, now we are seeing the right join. Okay, so what is right join? Right join is a join which give all the record from right table and only matching record from the left table. That is exactly opposite of left join. Okay, so consider this is our left table and this is our right table. Okay, so let's do right join. So for that we require select star from EMP. Then we have to use right join word, right join DEPT. Okay, then we have to use condition on emp.id equals to dept.id. Okay, so and then we can run it. Yeah, so you can see here all the data from uh, right table is present here and only the matching record from left table is present here, and where data will be not matched it will be given an empty null value. Okay, so this way right join will be work. Okay, but to write any join is not the correct way like this way. So the correct way is like we can see now. Okay, so for example we have to consider which column we required from that table, like select. For example we require id column and name column from left table, like that left table is our emp. Okay, so we required emp, we can give an alias name as e. So this is our employee table will be considered as a e table. Okay, so we have to write here from e table id column and from e table name column. Okay, then we have to consider and write our right join DEPT. Okay, and again for example we require certain column from department table, so we can give as a D as a alias name. So here we can write from D table we required DPT column, and from D table we required salary column. Okay, so like this way we are using alias name with column and table, and then we have to write condition on from e table id column equals to d table id column. Okay, and then we can run. Okay, we just forgot the that name. Okay, you can see here. Okay, the same output will be coming here. So this is the best practice, like we have to give alias name for each table, left table also, and for also for right table, and use that alias name with the required column from that table. Okay, so this way right join will be work. Thank you.